What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snipe, snipe, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore! Hermione!
Severus
Hermione! Dumbledore! Hermione!
Severus Snape,
Dumbledore! Harry Potter! 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 That's me!
Snape,
Harry!
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 Snape,
Dumbledore! Hermione!
Snape,
Harry Potter! I'm Harry Potter!
Snape,
I'm Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Singing our song all day long at Hogwarts! I found the source of the ticking! It's a pipe bomb! Yay! Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort.